CFLT is at multi-year lows, giving this plunge of roughly 30%. Intraday low we can see here is 17.51. So yeah, it's sprinted its lowest level since November of 2023. This steep sell-off was triggered by a combination of disappointing financial results, a major customer departure, and multiple brokerage downgrades, raising fresh doubts about the company's growth trajectory and profitability path. Yeah, reported a net loss of 24 cents per share, extending its unbroken streak of quarterly losses to 14 consecutive quarters since going public. The company's continued inability to achieve profitability is increasingly grating on customers, or rather investors, especially in a high interest rate environment where unprofitable growth stories face closer scrutiny. Adding to these worries, the company disclosed that a major AI native customer, believed by analysts to be OpenAI, plans to move its workloads from Confluent's fully managed cloud service to a self-managed deployment for internal data infrastructure. This means that the company loses a high spending customer from its higher margin cloud revenue stream, directly impacting its near term revenue growth and raising questions about the stickiness of its managed service model. Yeah, a couple of downgrades down there. We have. Let's see what are they saying? Are they saying anything? Okay, Stifel flagged that Confluence plans to ramp up investments in its partner channel, while strategically sound, will likely constrain its margins and fresh cash flow at a time where investors are demanding clearer progress toward profitability. Okay. Um, Nine other major brokerages, including JP Morgan and all the other ones, lower their price targets, reinforcing the sentiment that the company's near-term outlook is clouded by execution risks, customer churn, and slowing consumption trends. Okay, trying to offset risks with a bigger partner push. So, in an effort to counter these challenges, the company unveiled a $200 million investment over the next 3 years to expand its global partner ecosystem. The company hopes this will accelerate the adoption of its data streaming technology by embedding its platform into partner offerings, co-developing joint solutions, and building deeper native integrations with partner ecosystems. This expanded partner strategy builds on recent collaborations with big names like Infosys, Ernst& Young, Databricks, and Geo platforms. The goal is to broaden Confluence reach into new markets and industry verticals, create stickier use cases for its technology, and drive new revenue streams beyond its direct sales channel. However, critics argue that while the partner ecosystem could boost long term adoption, it will require significant upfront investment at a time when companies' cash burn and lack of profitability are already under the spotlight. Okay, so bottom line, for now, the market verdict is clear. Confluence premium valuation, heavy losses, and recent customer churn have reset investor expectations sharply lower. The management of the company will need to prove that its large bet on partners and ecosystem development can reignite sustainable growth before the market runs out of patience. Yeah. So I think has continued to print lower prices. Um, yeah, lower losses. So let's see now. This is its daily chart, and the line trend is actually still bullish. Let's see, is it still bullish given this plunge? Let's see. Well, it's still bullish. Yeah, still bullish regardless. Lower prices are expected to keep printing up till Monday, the 4th of August. Yeah, and then after that, it's extrapolating that a rebound will occur. So let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have if you're talking about the projections in play, we have 27.81, 29.34, 30.28. Yeah, and a couple of other projections, but none of those projections I've seen there is higher than 30.28. Okay, let's see what the buying pressure is. Price pressure momentums are indicating. Okay, okay, it's the 10 and 21 day moving averages have positive derivatives, first and second derivatives, but yeah, severely bearish price pressure momentum indications. Yeah, which of course we know it's down 30%, so that will naturally be the case. But the positive values are indicating that the selling pressure is abating. Yeah, it's abating. Maybe that's why we have an extrapolation that is saying that it's going to pivot by when is this? Let me get it. It's going to pivot by Monday. Yeah, so selling pressure will remain in place up till Monday, the 4th of August. Then maybe from Tuesday, the 5th, it might pivot. No guarantee that, that will be the case. So yeah, let's quickly have a look at the weekly chart. Yeah, the stock has been consolidating for like forever and ever since 2022. Look at that. It's been trading between on the weekly chart between 36.58 and today's low. Yeah. Well, not. Well, it's a weekly chart. It goes all the way to 3 years. Not a very tight range, but in any case, let's see what we have here. We have 20. Okay, we even have higher prices: 30.13, 34.66, 37.45. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what's going on. 4 hour chart. Let's see it. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till yeah, Monday's pre-market session, and then pivot is expected to set in, and upper projection 26.25. Before now we had 28.17, 27.70, 26.92, 26.25, 26.48. This was as of yesterday. Those were the projections. Let's see, nothing. Let's see if there are even higher projection. I think we've seen higher projections already. So selling pressure surely amplified here. Yes, amplified. And we have some positive derivatives indicating that some the selling pressure is decelerating. Yes, it's decelerating. Strong derivatives. You can say at 2.5766 to 1.803. Yeah, so selling pressure at some point is decelerating, not as strong as it was before as things stand right now. So yeah, have a look and see what you make of CFLT, and thank you very much for watching this video.